and Redster and Granny Bird. Say hi. Hi. And we're eating at McAllister's and then going to the Amazeum today.
What's that? Apple.
Very good. Apple. Hello.
Yo, 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 Daddy's home.
Right, Daddy in the house.
And Mommy fixed dinner. So we have teriyaki chicken, edamame jasmine fried rice, and stir fry. Most of which came frozen or in a bag, but hey, still looks good and healthy-ish. And then, now I did make these from scratch. These are blueberry, orange, lemon, oatmeal muffins. Here's Rhett's, although I still have to get his oranges out, but he had a little bit of a tummy ache earlier, so he's having macaroni and cheese and chicken nuggets, a little bit of the blueberry muffin, and then we're gonna get him oranges. So, that's dinner. Hello. So, we're home. The boys are asleep. Had such a good day with Granny Bird, and I'm so glad that we got to go hang out at the Amazeum today. Didn't get a lot filmed this afternoon because Redster started feeling really bad, and so he even got sick, but he's doing better now. So anyway, I am staying up working on stuff. I got a big old hard drive today, so I'm getting stuff uploaded to that, and I'm watching season 1 of Big Brother, which I've never seen before, so it's definitely different, but it's been a good day, and here's to a great big beautiful tomorrow home with Daddy.